All right, family, welcome back to Mochaeatstv. I have hit the jackpot. So, family, look at this. Here is some zucchini, and I have not one, but two in the pot. With this one, this is some kale, and here are three in the pot. 1, 2, and 3. And I have a cucumber, and I have 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I gotta hurry up and get these planted before I lose them. It is my fault that I have waited so long, but we're gonna get it planted. All right, family, so this is not sponsored. However, I ordered these bags off of Amazon. And these are some grow bags. I have 6 in a packet here. And I have 3 5-gallons and 3 10-gallon bags. And they also came with plant labels. And here are all of my cute plant labels. So I don't know about you, family. I'm still learning gardening. I guess gardening is a learning experience with either vegetables or regular plants. So I'm going to try my hand at trying to get some vegetables growing. So I'm going to do my kale, I believe, in the 10-gallon bucket. I say bucket, but it's a bag, family. So let's take this apart. All right, comment below if you've ever used cloth or fabric pots. So this is my 10-gallon, very huge. So we're going to get this with some soil in it. Okay, so I just put some soil at the bottom. So I'm going to take this meal organite, about 4 tablespoons, and put all down here at the bottom. Yes, but on roots. Okay, so what this does is basically once the roots get down here, it has that fertilizer down here, family. So that was the purpose of doing that. So now what I'm adding to this is some potting mix, and I'm going to mix that all in. All right, so what I'm going to do now, family, is add some worm castings to this. And I would say probably about maybe about 1/4 cup. Just like so. And we're going to mix this in, fam. Yes. Now I'm going to go ahead and top it off with some more soil. And my soil I'm using is Stay Green flower and vegetable garden soil from Lowe. I used it in my other video when I was planting just the regular plants. All right, so now I'm going to add some bone meal, and I'm only going to add about a tablespoon. Wow, this is very powdery. Never used this before, fam. And now I'm going to add some blood meal. Now, with this, I would say about a cup of the blood meal. So now I'm going to top the surface with some black cow. All right, now that I have topped this with the black cow, now I'm just going to go ahead and get this all mixed in like so. All right, so this is my first time ever adding all of this goodness to my plants. So I hope to get a better harvest than ever. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some more worm castings in, and this will be about a cup, just like that. Mix this in, and then I'm going to top this with my garden soil. About a heap, another heap, and then I'll be ready to plant. Yes. So just mixing this all in. And yes, family, I think at this point now I am ready to plant my zucchinis. Okay, because this is a 10-gallon, I'm going to go ahead and put both of my zucchinis into this pot. So, as you see, you have to wiggle those roots around, and I'm going to separate them gently. Just like so, family. Just like so. This is considered a free plant because you got 3 in 1. Oh, I got 3. Oh, yes. Okay, so I have dug them a hole. They are screaming for water, fam. So let me uncover them, give them some water at the roots, and then cover these babies up. Lord, please let them survive. Just like so. We've given it some serious goodness, fam. And again, comment below if you have ever used fabric pots, because this is my first time. Now I'm going to go ahead and get them covered, just like so, and press down. And they will stand at attention. I know they will. I know they're going to stand up. Yes. I'm so sorry I waited so long. So I'm going to put this right here as a lift to hopefully, and knowing that they're going to stand up, because I got some progressing fruit right there that I want to come on out. So we're going to get on to the next pot. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mist with some water. Some more water. Yes, just like that to wake them up. Yeah. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this meal organite around them. And that'll be it for these zucchinis. So family, this concludes the video of me planting my cucumbers and my zucchini, and I was able to get 3. So we're going to see how they do. I have heavily fed them, so we'll see what happens in a couple days. I will give you an update. So if you like this content, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.